Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty. Today I'm just going to do a fun, quick little look for you guys. If you subscribe to my blog, which if you don't, you should do right now. Like, it's right there. Click it in the description box. If you subscribe to my blog, and you have for a while, about, I'd say 4 years ago, I did this little lipstick look. I didn't have the best camera, I didn't do videos then, but on my lips there was 4 different shades. So now I think I'm going to recreate it with some even crazier colors and just have fun with it. So I'm going to use these shades from NYX. Not all of them, because my lips aren't that big. These from NYX, they're liquid suede. I love this matte lip color, because when it dries, it's matte, but it doesn't feel drying or like, your lips are parched. It's a great product. I use these little guys all the time. So I think I'm going to use an orange. Let's do a light purple, sort of lavendery, lilac lavender. Let's do a blue. Let's do this blue. And let's go with the classic. Let's go with the red. I have an open red. I have a full-size red. Just got dark in here. Now let's get down to the fun part. So we'll start with the orange shade. This is the color Orange County. Problem is, you close your lips, you get it on the bottom part, which is usually not an issue. Unless you're doing something crazy like I am. Then, taking the lilac purple shade, which is called Sway, put that next to the orange. So far so good. Now we're going to get to the tricky part, trying to do the bottom without getting it on the top, and vice versa. Taking the red color, which is the shade Kitten Heels. And now, light blue shade in the color Little Denim Dress. Hard to say the D's and you don't want your lips to touch. And there we go. We have our, I don't know what to call it, circus, crazy, four-toned lipstick look. I think it's fun. Um, it's great for a party, great for costume makeup. Maybe if you're gonna be a clown or a joker or court jester or something. I like it. Um, I have to go to the dentist now, so I could leave it on. But I really don't want to scare my dentist or his hygienist, so I'll probably take it off after I take a few pictures. Or maybe I'll leave it on. We'll see. But thank you for watching my crazy look today. Stay tuned for more. Check out the blog. I'll see you next time. Bye.